Hi everyone and welcome to a new video of Plant Yes. In this video I'm going to show you how to propagate this plant, the Ctenanthe burle marxii. It would really help me if you could subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. The Ctenanthe plant grows from a central rhizome, which makes it the perfect plant for propagation by division. Start with the plant you want to propagate and take it out of the pot. Remove as much soil as possible from the roots without damaging them. Divide the plant into separate plants by breaking them apart. Make sure you divide it on a spot that each separate section will have both shoots and roots. Since all the separate plants have roots, you can directly put them in soil. See, I have made two big and two tiny new plants. Leftover plants without roots can be propagated as cuttings. Just let them root in water. Thank you for watching this video on how to propagate this plant, Ctenanthe burle marxii. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a look around and start to grow your knowledge. Bye!